Connectors are fundamental components in electronic systems. However, different applications require different connector specifications in terms of mechanical dimensions, transmission performance, current carrying capacity, and environmental durability. Since standard connectors cannot meet every application requirement, custom connector development has become an increasingly important solution for equipment manufacturers across various industries. What does it take to bring a custom connector from concept to mass production? Step 1. Requirement analysis. The process starts with understanding the application, technical requirements, and design challenges. Step 2. Feasibility evaluation. R&D, quality, engineering, and manufacturing teams jointly participate in the project review, conducting comprehensive evaluations of product structure, material selection, manufacturing processes, and quality risks to develop a feasible custom solution. Step 3. Product design and tooling development. The R&D team develops the connector structural design drawings and completes the development of terminal contacts, insulator housings, and related components. Once the design is approved, the project proceeds to the tooling development stage. Step 4. Prototype manufacturing and reliability validation. After prototype samples are produced, a series of validation tests are performed according to project requirements. Step 5. Customer verification and design optimization. Customers conduct real-world installation and application testing, while the engineering team continuously optimizes product details based on their feedback. Step 6. Mass production. After final approval, the connector enters mass production using automated manufacturing processes and strict quality control systems. Custom connector development is more than product design, it reflects engineering expertise, manufacturing capability, quality assurance, and project management. With one-stop customization services, Greenconn helps customers shorten development cycles, reduce project risks, and achieve reliable connectivity across industries including EVs, industrial automation, robotics, energy storage, and communications.